Oh, kamak. How ngari jar mago. Iman mangen. Man melk makai gen mago. Iman mangen. Man melk kun mago. Wal naka ngari mang iman mangen nabajan. Mandole. Bak ngana now. Nyamet now. Iman mangen. Melk makai gen melk mir mak naka mago ngari mang mir mak mago. Namet ke. And if I boys and we pick high mago, really good mago, you know, with waist cut that high voice, you know, and we pick good mago like it might be we get really fast song was one, and we get like sharp one, really sharp song, and we get sharp djunggayi. We find really good djunggayi because was I did that lots of time, and I hit to my brother Lloyd was he had sharp voice, and I used to pick djunggayi. Kama give high one or balaga mat bim nakun kun wangen mago wangen iman wangen wop no, but still kama grow same beat, but iman kawari ready while little bit ngari mang nakun kun wal that mean iman wangen now gom milk pajan kawai ni bagi mangen wangen iman wangen now yaw no mago gom milk yaw no now wop no nene little bit nakon kun nane gom no ya milk pajan nani get kama like this one here it's heavy djunggayi, and it might be for low boys and that other one I was saying if light djunggayi and maybe that high voice, you know, you understand that?